It tastes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay.
I don't like it.
Jeez, Christ. Today we're taste testing this. The biggest Hershey kiss in history. And now it's the unicorn. So I'm probably just gonna take like one bite of it because this is a lot of chocolate. So I'm probably just gonna take one bite. So it's really big. Look at my hand. Look at it. Look at my face. It's as big as my nose. Because my nose is big. Yeah. So, it says it's solid. It's also very thick. With like 30 C's, alright? So let's, test this thing out. Oh my god. Ow. Mm. So, oh, finally. That is really, tasty. But oh my god, is that unhealthy. I'm not concerned about the sugariness of the unhealthiness, but I'm still concerned about my teeth. I'm concerned about my teeth, like, fracturing, because that is so solid. I'm literally gonna break my teeth if I take one more bite. So, yeah.